there, beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beauty haul for you guys. This is gonna have some Sephora stuff, some MAC stuff, and more things in it. So I'm gonna get started with the nails. So I talked about these nails in like my first random vlog. This is from the brand Artique. Mind you, I'm not gonna recommend the nails that I was talking about in that video, because later in that video I came in and I told you guys how I wouldn't recommend them. And that was because they had rhinestones on them. But these I recommend. I have the ombre pink or American pink ombre one right now from them. Again, this is an Amazon brand. I will leave them below. But I got these. I've worn these before as well. These are the all white ones. These are the ballerina style ones. All white. And these are the stiletto ombre American. These are the pink ombre. So yeah, these are very affordable. The packaging is cute. Again, I would not recommend the rhinestone ones, but these are really nice. The regular matte ones, they have metallic, they have ombre, they have these that I'm going to show you guys. Hold on, let me show you the packaging on this one, because the luxury packaging comes in like a really cute box like this. It has flowers all over and it has nails. It has the word nails and it says flower pattern, cute fake nails. Life is not perfect, but your nails can be. That's their slogan. And then on the back it has the model number or the ID number of the nails, and you open it up and then here are the nails. And this is kind of like an ombre too. But this is like the new style where it's just kind of like a French tip only on the ends. It's that style, and it's ballerina coffin, I believe, as well. And they also come with a nail file and a cuticle clip. So yeah, you get that. It doesn't come with glue, so you have to have your own glue. But I will say these nails are worth it, the regular ones. I wouldn't recommend the rhinestone ones again, but these are perfect. I love these. They're very affordable, and I'm going to leave the link below for you guys to check them out. This site is an Amazon site. I didn't find them on Instagram. I googled them on Instagram. I didn't see them on Instagram. So I think the only way you can find them is through Amazon. Next, I have some Sephora masks. So I got pretty much the same ones I always get, except for one is not. I'm trying a new one. But I got the coconut face mask. This is one of my favorite ones. This one is for nourishing and soothing. I typically put these on at night, but you can do the morning or the night. But I do night because I'm typically up at night for the longest. So yeah, I got two of these. I got a new one. This one's called Mesquite Visage Letici. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This one is for ultra moisturizing and brightening. I think that's, I don't know what kind of fruit that is. I'm not for sure, but I'm sure it's not going to be bad because I've tried a lot of their masks and I haven't tried one that I don't like. The next one I tried already. It's called the Pearl Face Mask. This is for perfecting and brightening. And then the last two I have is just the rose one, and I got two of these as well. This is for ultra moisturizing and brightening as well. So I am going to be using those. I already recommend those. I don't have to do a review or anything. Check Sephora's mask out. They're like $5 or $6 a piece. And if you have a Sephora rewards card, you get your points. You can use your points toward these. And if you don't, you can sign up for a Sephora rewards card. And every purchase you make counts towards points for free items or discounts on items. The next thing I have is this Milani Easy Brow. I should have put this on today, but I didn't want to open it. And plus I don't have on makeup today. It's just kind of just like a basic look today. So, but I probably should have put this on today. This is my babe. This is the Easy Brow in dark brown. And this is the retractable pencil. So it has your spoolie on the end, and then it has the actual pencil here. The only thing I don't like about this is that it goes so fast. I use it so fast, but I love this so much, and it's been hard to find it in the stores lately. Typically Walmart and Target has it, but I haven't been able to find it, so I just decided to just order it off a line. But yeah, Love this. This is like my babe. I miss this so much. Next thing I have is a oldie but a goodie. This is a staple in my makeup routine. This is, or my full face makeup routine, I should say. This is the Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. This is in the color NW40, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, NW40. I hope they never discontinue this, because they continue a lot of things, MAC. Please, MAC, do not discontinue this. This is my babe. This is the best concealer. I have not found any concealer that compares to this. I just have staples from MAC that I just always have to get, or I just always have to keep, because I haven't found dupes for them. There's nothing that I found that is like worth the money or that lives up to the quality of some of their products, their staple products. I should do a MAC staple products video maybe one day. Last thing I got is a Fenty foundation. I cannot wait to try this. This is the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. My color is 450. At least that's what the quiz is saying, and we'll see. I haven't tried it yet, and of course if it's good, you guys know I'm going to talk about it, and I'm more than likely going to do a review about it. I'm trying to get out of the box, but this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure a lot of you know what this looks like. I think this was like the first foundation that she released when she came out with the beauty line. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. The packaging is really clean and like very feminine and ladylike. So I can't wait to try this. And then if it's good or bad, I'm probably going to talk about it, because I'm probably going to do a review. But I'm super excited to try Fenty stuff out. I've tried her liquid lipsticks. I've tried them out, and I'm a fan of these, I should say. So I can't wait to try this one out. Beauty haul, I hope you guys enjoy. Nothing too crazy, nothing extravagant, but just some things that I needed, and some things, a couple of new things that I'm going to be checking out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on my social media links. I'll always keep them in the description box below. Everything else I have going on currently is below as well. Thanks for the love and the support. Check me out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. You guys have a great day.